Behind me is my Tesla Model X, and in this video I'm going to show you guys one of the coolest cosmetic upgrade that I've done to this car. Now, special thanks to Henshaw for sending this out for a review, and from the thumbnail you probably already know that it is the red brake caliper covers that I ended up installing on this Model X. We also have the passenger side where the front one is nice and shiny for the thumbnail. First, when I received these caliper covers, I was actually a bit upset because it didn't say Tesla on them like it showed on their website. But it turned out it was just a sticker that I had to stick on. And with that, it gives you two options where you can have this black letters or you can have like those silver whitish kind of letters on your caliper. So I went with the black and I think it looks super nice. And these caliper covers, they actually make your brake calipers look bigger. And then if you look here to the rear one, again, we have the Tesla sticker right on it. And then of course it made the rear caliper a lot bigger. This is of course just cosmetic upgrade. It definitely does not do anything with the braking or the performance of the car, but look at this, it looks super nice. Now, the first thing you want to do on the Tesla Model X is you want to make sure you raise the suspension, because this does have air suspension. And then once the vehicle is raised, you want to go over to the service menu and then enable jack mode. Then we also have to enable the parking brake by holding the P on the touchscreen. I also like to chalk off the wheels, find the jacking point. Even though I do have a impact wrench, I do prefer to first loosen the lug nuts before lifting the vehicle. And one of my lug nuts are a lockable one, so you do need this key for it. Once these lug nuts are removed, we can simply just remove the tire. I like to put it underneath the car for extra protection. When it comes to these very nice black calipers, I do want to get them cleaned, so I spray them with some soapy water and then just use some of the shop towels. And then it turned out great. For the rear calipers, you do have these bolts, but they don't have any Loctite on them. When I show you the front one, you'll see it does have Loctite on them. And these are going to be attached to the brake component. So I definitely think it's going to have some vibrations and stuff when you're using the brakes. So I ended up putting some Loctite on my own. So I recommend you to do that. But you have like these two clips over here that you put on the top, and then you also put on bottom part, and then you just tighten them up simply like that. But once it's tightened up, it is nice and solid. It's not going anywhere. Remove the wheel from under the car, make sure that the center is flat on the hub, then put the lug nuts in a star pattern. There we go. Now we'll lower the vehicle. Here's my torque wrench. We're going to be setting it up to 129 foot-pounds, which is the spec for this Model X. We're going to put the center cap, and then I will re-torque it after about 50 kilometers. Here's the caliper for the front, makes it a lot bigger, but you also have like 3 mounting brackets that are labeled for the left side as well as the right side. I find it easy to attach them first on the caliper cover before attaching it to the car. Now, once this is tightened, it is not going anywhere. The front ones are a bit trickier to install. They're not hard, they're just more time consuming. But once that's done, we're gonna put the wheel back on. Calipers do end up becoming bigger. I was worried it might be interfering with the wheel, but there's enough clearance and the wheel is not hitting the caliper. It also came in this very cool looking box that says Henshaw, and then the covers, they're just in this bag, and also bubble wrap to make sure they're gonna arrive without damage. They also give you extra sticker in case you make a mistake, which I did. Unfortunately, they give you extra bolts as well. Overall, I'm very happy with this install. I highly recommend you guys to install covers like this. Now, if you want to see the Tesla laddering a lot easier, maybe you should go with the silver ladders. For example, the original Tesla calipers that I get on the Model Y Performance, they were actually white instead of black letters, and so they're a lot easier to be seen. But I like the way this red and the black looks, but you can obviously do that. They give you enough stickers for that, and the bigger stickers go on the front calipers where the smaller stickers go to the rear caliper. But that being said, this was the quick install and review of the Henshaw brake caliper covers. They were super easy to install and they transformed the look of my Tesla Model X. I wish I actually got these earlier.